I'm Dr. Yossi Yovel. I'm a new faculty member in the Department of Zoology and in the Segol School of Neuroscience, and I study bats. One of our main goals is to study bats in their natural environment, in the wild, not in a lab, not when they're anesthetized, not when they're fixed, like in many other laboratories. So in order to do so, we develop miniature sensors. What I hold in my hand now is a miniature GPS, probably one of the smallest in the world. It weighs 3 grams. And onto this GPS, we also added a miniature microphone, which you can see over here, which allows us to record the bats biosonar, record the bat communication. Now, what we do is we put these devices on bats in the wild, and we follow their natural behavior night after night. So we see where they fly to, whom they fly with, what they say to each other. Recently, one of the things we've discovered is that if you look at the same bat, the same species, the same animal, but at bats that roost in what I call the country, so not in the city, versus bats that roost in the city, that live in Tel Aviv, for instance, you find a completely different behavior, something that has not been shown yet for many animals. Zoological Garden, it's a unique facility that exists only in Tel Aviv University and allows us to work with wild animals. I could not do this research with bats at the same intensity, I would say, in other universities. I think there is no other campus in Israel in which you can find engineering 2 minutes, a walk of 2 minutes from here, and psychology 2 minutes in that direction, medicine 2 minutes in that direction, and really I collaborate a lot with people from engineering, from medicine, which really makes our science more whole, more perfect, I would say.